Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping well. I thought I'd just show you a quick video on how to put together the 3 Necron Warriors that you get with Games Workshop Start Collecting paint set. I also used some clippers, plastic glue and a Stanley knife to put my models together. However, these are not included as part of the set. I would highly recommend that if you do use a Stanley knife, then make sure if you're a young user, then have a responsible adult with you at all times. Now the good news with these models is they are actually in 15 separate pieces and they're numbered up. So the first model is numbered 1 to 5, the second model is numbered 6 to 10, and the third model is numbered 11 to 15. This of course makes it nice and easy when you're taking the parts off the sprue. I would highly recommend that you build each model at a time. So don't cut off everything at once, do just one at a time because that makes it a lot easier. The next few clips will just show you me putting together the first model.